What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick little video for y'all. I got my buddy Sergio right there in the back, and he brought his car over to me to get some intercooler pipings done, and it's a badass car. So this right here is a S14 240SX, obviously. This guy's a savage, drives around on slicks, and you can probably tell why he does that, because under this hood, it's obviously he has some twin Terpskis. It is a race car, right? And he also drifts it. So today we're gonna do some charge piping work for his car, because if you guys can tell right here, his intercooler is really low, and up and down the driveway and on the trailer, he like smacks them, scrapes them, punches holes in them. There's a hole right there. And what I'm actually doing is I'm doing both side piping, because that one he lost it. This one has a hole, which is this guy. And what I'm doing is I am cutting this 90 out, putting that 90 in, and the reason why I'm doing that is that it gives me like an access to clean the inside from all the residue in there, because I don't want that to seep over when I'm welding aluminum, right? And then the other side, he doesn't have a piping at all, so we're making a piping from here to his new turbo, and then that'll be pretty much it. So he's on the phone right now. I'm gonna have him pop the hood, give you guys a little glimpse of what's going on in here. All right, Sergio, you mind giving us a little sneak peek under the hood? Just a little sneak peek. What we got going on here?
So it's a 5.3 bored out to 5.7. It's an iron block, built motor, built trans.
And obviously some twins on here, right?
Yeah, baby little turbos.
Hey, baby little turbo. But what does it put down?
Dang.
A lot.
Good power, a lot.
A lot. I'm not saying it's quite the 4 digits, but it can handle the 4 digits. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down with some measuring real quick, and then we'll start welding some aluminum piping. So this is how I clean the inside of the piping. I just take a wire wheel and just give it a quick little round. Before or after cleaning it, it's up to you. I just cut this edge right here to get it nice and straight on my homemade bandsaw. And I'm cleaning outside as well too a little bit. This piping kit doesn't have any coatings on it other than the spray painted black, but that's far away from what we're welding. And that's good, because we don't have to try to get off all that eBay coating on it, and make welding a lot easier. Acetone. We'll run some acetone through this, get a nice little twirly. Oh yeah. Woo. DIY homemade bandsaw using a Makita bandsaw. Got one side mocked up, looking good. Probably gonna have to clock this turbo a little bit more to fill in his gap in the back, because you can see that this is a weird bend in line with this guy, right? But once he clocks this, that'll close up the gap, more coupler to clamp down into. And before I weld this, I'm gonna go ahead and knock the other one out. Pretty simple, 90 degree, and let's cut it. This one's a weird angle, but ain't nothing pot cut can't fix. Oh man, didn't even need a pot cut. Wait, how did I do this earlier? What the heck? Dude, how did I do this earlier? Much better. Look at that. And it's just a little higher too, like this side right here, so you don't have to worry about scraping on the floor anymore. But it's still pretty damn low, because my leg barely fits under there. So now I've already cleaned the inside and the outside. I can just remove it off the car, tack it all in, double check it, and then fully weld everything so we can have this man on his way, because there is some road racing tonight. Hey, but if you get some on video, bro, like on your camera or something, send it to me. I'm sure people want to see this car put in some work, so not sure if I'm gonna make it. All right. This one, right here to the turbo, pull a coupler all the way down, line it up, and then put the coupler all the way up. Apparently. Something like that. That fits. This one looking good. So this is the one that, you know, when you clock that turbo, it's going to sit up a little higher, right? But right now it's just going to sit like this, how it's always been. Looks good. Now we can weld it. Oh yeah. Ready, boss. We are ready. Woohoo! Shit's nasty. This is the driver, and that's the driver. Got a coupler. Here's a coupler. And then that one has a coupler. That shit goes hard, bro.